So this is just the first match, and I'm happy that we got the 3 points because first match and you won it, it's always easier to go for the tournament. Yeah, definitely we have to see some recaps here and there. But I'm very much happy that team performed. Whatever we have done in the practice session or whatever we have done, the boys are looking at. So definitely. So and gradually it will come and give match after match. I don't want to rush.
I think in the midfield, if we keep the ball in the midfield,